What's up, my peoples? I'm back with another episode. On today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of products from a company called Grovemade. If you don't know about Grovemade, I think it's time for you to find out. They make some great products. They take their time and put all kinds of efforts into making great quality products. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few of the products that I decided to purchase. I know this video is not sponsored. I went out and paid for all this stuff on my own because I thought it would look great in my office. We have two boxes that I received from Grovemade. These boxes have been sitting in my office for about 2 to 3 weeks. I wanted to give you guys a true unboxing experience. Before we unbox anything, let's talk about Grovemade as a company. Grovemade opened its doors for business as a company in 2009. It was a partnership that formed between the owners of a custom furniture and a laser engraving and digital arts business in Portland, Oregon. They design and make everything from speakers to keyboard trays, desk pads, phone cases, and even watch covers and belts. They focus on natural, beautiful materials like walnut and bamboo, as well as natural leathers and fine metals. When it comes to office supplies, this is like art for your office. It's the best collection of computer desk products I have ever seen. They are a bit pricey, but worth every penny for the materials and quality of the products that you receive. Let's move on to the unwrapping of these items. Now that we know about the company, let's open the box. The first thing we see is a little booklet that the company has included in the box. This is a really nice touch that this company provides. Let's get all this wrapping paper used as padding out of the way. Let's grab a few of these things out of the box and start to unwrap them out of the nicely sealed wraps they came in. You can already tell a lot about the company just based on how they seal and wrap things. It makes opening some of these items feel special. The first thing I will unwrap is the keyboard stand, which is called the Walnut 10-key keyboard tray. There isn't much to see here, so let's just move on to the next item, which is also a part of the keyboard setup. This is the XL Walnut wrist pad, which works in conjunction with the Walnut keyboard tray. Up next is the Walnut pen cup. This is going to be used to just help clean up clutter on the desk. I can put pens there or things like scissors or any utility related items used with the camera gear or computers. Next, let's see what's in here. Once again, pay attention to the details and how fine this is wrapped and the use of the branded sticker that they have. Very smart. This is their walnut mouse pad. This comes with a nice little insert for placing a pen there. Since I have the iPad Pro, I can actually place the Apple Pencil here. Let's clean up the desk before I unwrap the next item because that is going to take up some space. The next item we have here is the medium dark felt desk pad, and this is used to add some texture to the desk and just sort of add some visual separation. I also got it to add some contrast. Since most of these items that I purchased have a walnut finish and the table is also a walnut finish, I needed to create a layer separation to add some visual interest and sort of decor to dress up the desk. Alright, let's wrap this back up and move on to the largest item here. The last item is the walnut desk shelf. It can hold up to two 27-inch monitors, and this is something I definitely needed. Here we have what I believe are the legs of the base for the shelf. There are 3 of these. This piece right here is a plate that is used as sort of a shelf where you can put things like envelopes, phones, folders, or even a laptop. Finally, let's get the base out. Once again, this is a walnut finish. It's a beautiful piece. Let's place all of these things together on the table so that we can see them all together. Alright, now that we are finished unwrapping and viewing all of these, I'm just going to cut to some B-roll and then we can go back into the office to wrap up the video. Alright guys, that's the video for today. Thank you for supporting. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and hit the comment section. If you got any questions, go ahead and comment below.